Good morning, Renee with 5 Min Makeover here. I just used the brightening mask. Wanted to show you guys my morning skincare routine. Keep in mind, when you get the mask applicator, it glides on better. You get better mask coverage. So I just took my mask off, and all skin types, Rosewater. It's an astringent slash toner slash stress reliever because it smells oh so beautiful. It smells like roses. And kind of let that dry. It helps reduce redness. It helps reduce your pore size. And if you have a son or a child like I do that is too cool for sunscreen and they become rock lobster, it gets rid of sunburns. Lickety split. After you let that dry, you could tell, you know, about 30 seconds. I then use in the morning our instant lifting serum. And that's all I use for my entire face. The instant lifting serum is, let me do a little bit more, is magical, okay? It not only instantly lifts and tightens your skin, you will notice a difference in your wrinkles. I started noticing within the first week of using it, and the secret ingredient is snail venom. No snails were harmed in the making of this product. Instant lifting serum. Trust me, you will never, ever go back once you start using this in the morning. And we also have an Uplift Beauty Serum for nighttime use. Great for all skin types, and if you are searching for that fountain of youth, this is going to help you get one step closer to diving on in. So let that dry for about a minute. I normally do my morning mommy rush, you know, multitasking mama stuff. After that dries, so you can tell this gets daily use, I use our SPF 20 moisturizer. I use our renewing day cream. It's good for combo oily skin. We also have a hydrating day cream, also SPF 20, that is really good for dry skin. If you have sensitive skin, I could tell I did the brightening mask. My skin is like, give me some hydration. If you have sensitive skin, try our Divine Moisturizer. That one does not have SPF in it, but your skin craves and needs moisturizer. It needs that drink of water. So if you are sensitive, try the Divine. And I let that dry, you know, 30 seconds. I mean, my skin, again, I just did our brightening mask, so my skin is absorbing it really quick. And then before I put on my face, I put on our glorious primer. Now, I also use the eye primer. This glorious primer is good for your entire face. You could also use it on your eyes. Personally, I like the eye primer on my eyes and lips because it gives my color that little extra, you know, zippity-doo-dah. The color looks a lot more vibrant and bright. Let your primer dry 1 to 5 minutes, depending, you know, how much time you have. And you are ready to bring out your inner beauty. So thank you for joining me. Let me know what questions you have, and we will go over some different skincare options for your skin type, and have a great day.